everyone. I hope you are enjoying this special time of the year. I have prepared a table for Christmas brunch. I hope you will enjoy it. I have painted Christmas plates customed for my children with their names because I wanted it to be special. Even I painted the juice jar as well. And I prepared the napkins in a very simple way. I'll show you now how I did it. So you know that the table will be filled with love, even if it is a simple thing and simple gesture. You need 2 napkins. I folded the 2 napkins around. Then I inserted the knife and the fork inside. You can add any decorations you'd like any greenery or any decoration you have. Tie it with a ribbon, any ribbon. Then it's done. And it feels nice to light up the atmosphere with some candles. I prepared salad, the Tabbouli salad. I'll be sharing the recipe with you in another video. And the hummus, the cheese plate as well, plus the thyme and olive oil bread. I also prepared the simple zucchini quiche and the rice pudding covered with nuts and coconut. And squeezed fresh apples will be a great addition as well to this festive table. I prepared the cheese plate in a plate that I have at home. You can choose anything you have. Keep it simple. You put any cheese you have according to your budget. I chose 3 kinds of cheese. Then I added salami. You can put any cold meat you'd like. I added the prosciutto. Then you can put the marmalade, even homemade or not, whatever you'd like. I have at home the fig marmalade, which I have made before. Added the pickles and the olives. The crackers. You can put bread as well if you'd like. Some grapes, because you need to add fruits to this plate. Fresh fruits and dried fruits. I added cranberries, dried cranberries and plums. Nuts. Fresh mozzarella cheese. Rosemary, this is a fresh rosemary from my garden. I also added blueberries. Then an old cheese as well. But you can choose anything you have at home or whatever fits your budget. And this is the cheese plate. I hope you'll enjoy it. Whatever you prepare it with love. Even if it is simple, and it will be cherished for a long time. I hope you'll enjoy this season and have a very Merry Christmas with your family, filled with love and filled with joy.